All right, everyone. What I'm going to show you right now is an easy way that you can take images from Google and copy and paste them into your assignments. I know sometimes we have a hard time with that, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I would do it if I were completing the assignment myself. So you can see on the left side of my screen where I'm circling with my mouse, I have your assignment dealing with balance open, and then I also have a window on the right side of my screen, and that's where I'm going to be searching for certain images. So right now I'm on the slide that is asking for two examples of symmetry. So I'm going to go to my Google web browser and I'm going to type in, let's see, I'm going to say symmetry in nature because I like that sort of thing. And of course it's going to bring up, different types of options for websites, images. We're going to go to images. All right, and we're going to see here that we have loads of different types of symmetry that happens in nature. Now remember that symmetry is going to be the same or similar visual weight equality on both sides, whether that's split down the center and the same on both sides that way vertically, or split down the center horizontally and the same on the top and the bottom, okay? So what I'm going to choose, I think, is this pretty butterfly here. So I'm on a Mac, but you guys are using your Chromebook. So whatever it is for you that is a right click, you're going to right click and then you're going to copy image. So you can see here that I'm hovering over with my mouse, copy image. Now I'm going to go right over here to my Google Slides presentation, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste. And there I have it. Okay, so I've got one example of symmetry there, which is my little butterfly. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller by adjusting it, always adjusting my photo from the corner. Now, if I adjust it from here, what's going to happen? It's going to get really weird looking and disproportionate. You don't want to do that. It doesn't look good. The butterfly looks a little freaky. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo that. Click out of it. I've got one example. Now this over here, coming back to my image search, is a beautiful image, right? And the symmetry is spot on. But I would maybe want to use this image for radial symmetry, since it's starting from a center point and radiating out in a circular way, okay? So let's do something different for my other symmetry example. I don't want to do symmetry in nature for both. I want to switch it up. So let's do, let's do symmetry in architecture. Okay. And then I like to kind of like look a little bit. I love this image. This is so cool. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on that image. I'm going to copy that image, come over here to my assignment, right click, and paste. Okay. And that one is going to fit, perfectly. I'll just scooch that up a little bit. So now I can see I've got space. I can make my butterfly a little bit bigger. I'll go ahead and do that. And now we have two wonderful examples of symmetry. So that is just a really easy, quick tutorial on how you can find images online, copy and paste them into your Google Slides presentation. And it works the exact same way for Google Docs.